Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to upload files to SharePoint. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in SharePoint, click the Create One option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Now, uploading files to a SharePoint site offers several advantages and serves various purposes that contribute to efficient document management and, of course, collaboration within an organization. But the first thing is you need to create your site first here in SharePoint for you to be able to upload any files or documents, because SharePoint provides a centralized location for storing files, ensuring that documents are accessible to authorized users from anywhere with an internet connection. This eliminates the need for multiple versions stored on individual devices. For you to be able to upload the files, all you're gonna do is, you see this icon? When you hover your mouse, it says something like upload files from your computer to this location. All I'm gonna do is you can upload the files, you can upload folder, and of course you can upload a template. And in this case, we're going to hit on upload files. Now, once you do that, just wait for it a little bit. Now I'm uploading a file. All right. And once I've done that, you see you have an option to column setting, format this column, move left, hide this column, widen column, narrow column, and a lot more. All right. Now, you see, you can also have an option here. You can add shortcut. You can download the file that you have already uploaded on the site. You can rename, you can automate, you can add rules. Basically, you can do a lot. Now, when you click on the file itself, what will happen is it would be forwarded on the certain file. It doesn't matter if it's a document file or an image in this instance, but the idea is you can set permissions at the document library or file level in SharePoint, like this one, controlling who can view, edit, or delete specific files. All right, you can add real-time chat. You can also add upload files here. As you can see, you can collaborate on shared content within your team and just click on upload a document. And from there, obviously, you can set permissions at the document library. Uploading files to SharePoint facilitates collaboration among team members because multiple users right now can work on the same document like this one, simultaneously track changes, leave comments, and maintain a unified version of the document. And I believe that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.